Have you ever wanted to make your laptop look like it's updating or your phone is updating, especially when you don't want anyone disturbing you? Well, today I'm going to show you a simple website that can do exactly that. Welcome to Philemon Electronics. Open your browser and search for update fake. Okay. Click on the first link. Once the website opens, you will see different options for creating fake screens for both computers and phones. Now, as you can see, it will give you a realistic looking update screen. And that's basically it. A simple browser trick, and you don't need to install anything on your computer. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Philemon Electronics for more technology tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.